how to remove the Renault Captur door mirror, and in the process we'll also be removing the door panel. We will start by removing the covers where this door open handle is, and then the cover right underneath the door pull handle, and then the cover which is towards the front of the door panel. There is another Torx screw. Remove all of these Torx screws. I believe these two were T30 and the other one was a T20. We'll remove this Torx screw when you open the door on the door panel to the side, and underneath there's another two Torx screws that we will also need to remove. For the next part, use plastic tools. Do not use flathead metal screwdrivers, as you can damage the door panel or the door itself. Use plastic tools and you can get in between the door and the door panel. You do not have to use this tool. You can go in there with your fingers and pull the bottom out first, as it's only held on by clips on the inside. This clip remover makes it much more easier. Keep in mind, even with the clip remover, these clips can break, and just pull the bottom out first for the door panel, and then what you'll need to do is slide it upwards to detach the door panel from the window seal as it slides down. Next, we can detach the door open handle cable, and then we'll also need to unplug the window switch. And just one tip when refitting the door panel, this makes it much more easier. What you want to do is you want to make sure that the clips are on the door panel itself. These white ones over here, like this is perfect. As you can see, that one's broken. If there's any left on the door, get them and put them onto the door panel, as it makes refitting much easier. And this is how you remove the Renault Captur door panel. Now, this is why you need to remove the door panel, so you can have access to the cable and the plug for the mirror, which we'll unplug right now. And then underneath this cover over here, there's one 10mm nut that holds the door mirror in place. It's this nut over here. While you're holding the mirror, just remove this nut. Keep in mind, when you're refitting, you just follow these steps in reverse order. So first put the mirror back on, attach the nut, replug, and then put the door panel on, and so forth. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.